Prisoner was eating halfway when he suddenly rubbed his spoon against his shoe sole. Then he called the guard and said that his spoon tasted weird and wanted to change it. He gave the dirty one to the guard and then took another spoon. The guard was busy talking to the man's companion and didn't know that the man had taken 2 spoons stacked together. Back in his cell, Frank used the small file on his nail clipper to grind some powder from the coin. Then he put the spoon handle and the small file together, sprinkled some powder on it. Then he lit a match and used the high-temperature flame to start welding. As the joint part was burned black, this handy escape weapon was completed. Frank started digging the wall again, and his efficiency was several times faster than before. But he was so absorbed that he didn't hear the patrolling guard coming. At this time, his companion next door was also distracted. Fortunately, a prisoner greeted the guard and his companion heard it. He immediately took out a cup and knocked on the cell door to remind Frank. Hearing the noise, Frank panicked. He could only use a box to block the vent. Then poured all the wall dust into the toilet, hid the tools under the bed, and lay back on the bed. The guard came over and asked Frank if he smelled anything burnt. Frank calmly said no. The guard didn't ask any more questions, thinking that he had escaped a disaster. But Frank suddenly found that the tool had fallen to the ground. He was scared and didn't